Hey Curlfrans, what's up? It's your girl Curly Bae and I'm looking at me. What's up, B? Thank you guys so much for your comments in the last video. I really did appreciate it. You guys made me laugh. Today, as you can see, my hair is stretched. I like to stretch my hair from time to time to get some of the sleekest styles, so you will be seeing a lot more sleek style videos. I think stretching the hair is super important, especially for type 4 hair, because it helps eliminate a lot of breakage. Now obviously you don't want to put too much heat on your hair, or you don't want to do it too often to pretty much mash up your your curl pattern, but I mean it does help give your hair a break sometimes, just so that it's not being tangled or in a state of tangledness all the time. So with that being said, I want to show you guys how I got this, and if you guys want to see how I do that and what products I use, my updated version. I know I have another video like this on my channel, however, my makeup was bad. Like when I say bad, it will frig up. So I wanted to do it's something I'm not proud of, so I want to update it, and hopefully you guys don't go back to click on that video. But if you do, judge me kindly or don't judge me at all. Stay tuned if you want to see more, and let's go.
Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off with Uncle Funky's Daughter's Thirsty Curls Leave-In Conditioner. It's a really great primer to moisturize the hair right out of the shower, or just to refresh your curls. I'm going to go ahead and do that in sections. Next, I'm going to go in with a heat protector. Today I'm going to go ahead and use Tresemme. I just used whatever I had. Now this next step is pretty easy. You're just going to go ahead and use the tension method by running the blow dryer down the shaft or the length of your hair. So make sure you go in sections and take your time. Right now I'm doing medium-high. Now guys, it does take a little bit longer if you are starting on extremely wet hair. So sometimes it's best to start on just damp hair. After that, I'm going to go in with the dryer and put it on a cool setting just to seal the follicles. And voila, one section down. I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair and get it out the way so I can do the rest. Alright, so one section down and a couple more to go, and repeat. And voila! Now here's my favorite part. We're going to take down the braids to reveal the final look, and then you're ready to style.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. No, for real no. This is the final look. Like honestly, I could get it way more sleeker than that, but I don't care to right now, because I'm just gonna do a lot of protective styles with my hair being in this state. Also, I wanted to do an updated video because I do not have that hairbrush thing anymore. I cannot find it. I don't know if it broke or something like that, or got lost when I was moving, but I can't find it. So I wanted to do an updated video. This one is a little bit less embarrassing than the last one, and trust me, if I get better on my makeup skills, I'm gonna do another one. So with that being said, I wanted to give you guys this look. Damn it! Anyway guys, oh Shout out to the comment winner. Alright guys, and I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Let me know down below what hairstyle you want to see next, or what type of video you want to see next, child. And I will see you guys in the next video. And remember to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. We are Curly. Besos.